Let's make sourdough pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. In a bowl, add 220 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Mix all that together and then set your bowl aside. Go ahead and grab your KitchenAid mixer out and add a half a cup of butter, half a cup of white sugar, and a half a cup of brown sugar. Place it on your mixer and then mix that together for 2 to 3 minutes until it's well incorporated. Next, add 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree, a half a cup of your sourdough discard, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then go ahead and mix that together. Next, go ahead and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add in your dry ingredients and mix that together. Try not to overmix this though. Go ahead and remove your bowl. Add in about 260 grams of chocolate chips and mix that together with a spoon or spatula. Cover and place in your fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Next, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and get a baking pan out and cover with some parchment paper. Go ahead and scoop out your cookies onto your cookie sheet. Place in oven and cook for 12 to 14 minutes. After they're done cooking, go ahead and remove and let them rest 5 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. Go ahead and scoop out the rest of the cookies and bake those. I'll put the full recipe in the description below, and then follow me for more recipes.